are you the Kapoor from Iski Uski relative?
Oh yeah, I get that all the time. But I mean, if I was, then you know where I'd be by now. Nepotism does exist. Yes, it's there and it's there everywhere. Yeah, in every field of life, you'll see it exists.
True.
But I think it can't really form your destiny. It can't. You know, because at the end of the day, I think talent, persistence, and the way people see you and take you and your performances, that'll just always outshine privilege. That when you don't get things on the platter for you, you learn how to be able to deal with such people. It just makes you stronger.
एक्सीडेंट हुआ, जो लाइफ में ड्रीम्स थे वो कहीं ना कहीं शैटर्ड हुए.
हाँ.
You have gone through so much. उसके बाद ये एक्टिंग की चीज़ कहाँ से? And how was the initial stage?
You know, you're like very lost and you're like, अच्छा इधर से audition आ रहा है, दे दो. But now when I get any auditions, I'm like, until and unless it's not a verified agency or a known person, I don't want to give it because I know that it's just being spread out. You know, लोग सिर्फ वायरल कर रहे हैं और कुछ हो नहीं रहा है उसका because it's not a genuine audition. But to be honest, it's happened here and it's very normal. Sometimes they call you and tell you you're not there because there's another star kid, or sometimes they just call you and tell you that, or sometimes they just don't call you.
Mostly
Like,
तो यही होता है.
in the midst of, yeah, mostly वही होता है ना, because they have who they want. So I'm very moody like that, but yes, I don't think social media can define me, especially with AI, like you mentioned. It can't.
I just want to start with one thing. कपूर है ना, ये सरनेम सुनते ही हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं.
हाँ जी.
रणबीर, करीना, करिश्मा, और पुराने जमाने में जो रणधीर एंड ऑल.
Yeah.
कभी इस सरनेम का कुछ फायदा है, नुकसान हुआ है? कभी किसी से मिल रहे हो, लोगों ने बोला अरे कपूर, अरे क्या तुम इसकी वो हो क्या?
फायदा ही फायदा हुआ है, to
ठीक
be
है.
honest.
हाँ.
So I was actually a part of an agency. So they chose me when I was 16. I just turned 16 and they chose me. And they said I'm actually a Tekchandani. So my mom's surname is Kapoor. She's
Okay.
Ritu Kapoor before marriage. So they said, listen, your mom's surname is already there. It's not like you're making something up. You know, so many actors have made up surnames. It's like they didn't have that surname, they just made it up.
Correct,
But you
correct,
have
correct.
it, use it. It holds weight. And I was like, yeah, absolutely. And it did. It really, touch wood, did very well for me. And I'm very happy my mom's a Kapoor. Because it helps. And yeah, like you said, it holds weight.
कैसे कैसे क्या फायदा होता है? कभी कहीं जब जाते हो
हाँ जी.
ऑडिशंस में या कहीं किसी से मिलने जा रहे होते हो,
Yeah.
कभी कुछ ऐसे किसी ने बोला है कि आर यू द कपूर फ्रॉम इसकी उसकी रिलेटिव?
Oh yeah, I get that all the time. But I mean, if I was, then you know where I'd be by now.
But you're outsider, right?
Yeah,
How
absolutely.
difficult it is to make, you know, way for your own self without having any so-called godfather in the industry?
Oh, to be honest, like you said, nepotism does exist. Yes, it's there and it's there everywhere. Yeah, in every field of life, you'll see it exists.
True.
But I think it can't really form your destiny. It can't. You know, because at the end of the day, I think talent, persistence, and the way people see you and take you and your performances, that'll just always outshine privilege. That's what I feel. So at the end of the day, I don't have a godfather. I started from scratch. And that's what makes me, you know, more resilient, for sure. But I value things more, for sure. Like I've learned that, you know, you have to always be humble. And you don't get things easily, right? So you always learn how to value even those little things that you get. So I think the fact that you don't get things on a platter is so much better. Because you're falling, you know, you're getting rejected, you're learning by yourself. And then you understand, okay, yeah. I mean, we're looking at someone's 20th chapter, but we need to realize that you get to the 20th after you
One by
begin with
one.
the first chapter.
Correct.
So, yeah.
बहुत सारे लोग जो इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है,
हाँ
उनसे
जी.
जब भी मैं बात करता हूँ ना, खास तौर से फीमेल
Yeah.
एक्ट्रेसेस, वो लोग एक चीज बोलती हैं कि दो चीजों में बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. एक बार
Okay.
लोग आपको बहुत बार गलत तरीके से अप्रोच करते हैं, जैसे हम कास्टिंग काउच वाली वर्ड यूज करते हैं इंडस्ट्री
हाँ
में.
जी, yeah.
दूसरा बहुत बार स्कैम भी होता है कि आप इस कंपनी का या आप इस प्रोडक्शन का हम आपको कार्ड बनवा देंगे,
हाँ
उसके बाद ऑडिशंस के लिए आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा, किसी से 10,000, किसी से 1 लाख, जो भी जिससे जैसे लूट पाए. कभी
बिल्कुल,
आपके साथ
हाँ.
इन दोनों चीजों में से कुछ भी हुआ?
See, to be very honest with you, you have to present yourself in a very strong manner. So people know that, listen, we can't approach Kashika a certain way because she's a strong personality. We have to go through her father. My father's my manager.
Oh.
So they have to go through dad in order to get to me. And thankfully, lately, I've come across some wonderful people, lovely people, because dad's in touch with all of them and, you know, we're doing some great work together. But I think it's really the way you put yourself out there. But at the same time, yes, when you're just a starter, you know, you're just starting up with getting into the industry, people are getting to know you, you are getting to know people, you know, so it's not easy. You do come across, जैसे बोलते हैं ना सिक्के के
दोनों पहलू
दोनों
होते हैं.
पहलू होते हैं. There are two sides to everything.
Hmm.
You always come across some good, some bad, but you just have to know how to deal with them. And I
True.
think that's exactly like I told you, that when you don't get things on the platter for you, you learn how to be able to deal with such people. It just makes you stronger. So I think definitely I have come across all kinds of people, but I thank my stars that I've learned so much, you know, out of it. And I feel you have to, and this is what I want to say out there for every girl. Like you said that, you know, they've come across all of this, that always live with dignity in life. Because when you make it big, you need to look at yourself in the mirror and say, wow, I'm proud of myself. I did this all by myself and in the best manner possible. Yeah. You know, because we come from good families. We always want to believe in hard work, like I told you, because that beats everything. If you're working hard, if you have talent, it'll literally cut through each and everything. So,
कहते हैं देर से ही सही लेकिन मिल जाएगा.
हाँ,
है ना?
बिल्कुल, yeah. And like they say, right, I feel fast success is really not that great.
Agree.
But slow success will really, really build your character, as they say it. So, be it.
आपके बारे में पढ़ रहा था, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग,
Okay.
कि नेशनल लेवल स्विमिंग, थ्रो बॉल,
Yes.
बास्केटबॉल, मतलब बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स में भी एक्टिव रहे हो.
हाँ
तो वो
जी.
जो बोलते हैं ना एक्टिंग का कीड़ा काटता है. When that happened.
So that happened to me when I was a part of dramatics in school. So I used to literally be opening each and every show, and my parents would be out there like cheering for me
Yay.
and going like, "Yeah, Kashika, do it!" And I'm like, "Yeah," and it was literally the best feeling in the world. Because when you have your parents cheer for you, you know that, okay, you've done something good. Because they are your best critiques as well. There'll be no one better than them, right? They'll be the most honest with you. So that's how it started. And I was like, okay, I think this is really what I want to do. I've always loved Sheila Ki Jawani. Any family member would come and I would be like, guys, I can dance with Sheila Ki Jawani. So it was really fun. And I love Katrina. And I think that's how it all began. And I said that, you know what, this is what I want to do. I mean, at some point, I thought that it would be basketball. But then I said, no, this is where my heart lies. Yeah. And that's what I want to do.
And do you miss all those sports things and all?
To be honest, I do. But in your next question, whenever you ask me how it stopped, I will also tell you what happened with me. I went through an accident due to which I stopped playing basketball.
Please tell us.
So I was a national level basketball player, and you know, Arjun sir from YMCA Bandra, he was the one who trained me for the longest time. So whether it was in Beacon High or in Jamnabai, I used to love sports entirely. And I happened to go for this trip when I was in JNS. So I don't know, I just, you know, sort of believed in my gut. And I said that, listen, I shouldn't get onto this track. You know the tractors which we have in Phuket? You know, those proper जैसे होते हैं ना वो लंबे rigs. तो वैसे we were sitting in one of those and we were just heading out everybody and there were like 15 people in one, and honestly seeing 15 in one I was already like, you know, scared. Then it was raining very heavily and I told my teachers, I was like, listen, I don't think I want to go on this. And the teacher was really like insisting and she's like, no, you know, please just go on it because it's a trip we all have to go. I said, theek hai. As soon as I got on the track, like on the cart, I messaged my father saying, please leave for wherever I was then. Like it was way further down from Pune. So I told dad, listen, just leave because I've gotten into an accident. And you won't believe, within 2 minutes, so the cart was supposed to go left, but he went aage and he missed out on the left cart. So he came behind and by the time he took the left, we went like ulta. And it was really, really bad. Like I remember a lot of my friends, which I feel really, you know, bad about, but they went through a lot of these plastic surgeries for external changes because obviously it was bad. And I had to go through, of course, a lot of physio because it was an internal change. You know, I have this back injury, which is still there because the doctor said, you're very young, you know, just at 18, we can't really undergo a surgery for your backbone. So it's better that, you know, you just do physio and you go through it. And I said, yeah, but that's something that I was very, very devastated because I had to play for NBA India that day, like when I would return. And then Arjun sir called me and I was like, sir, I won't be able to make it to this tournament. And I was shattered because that was something that, you've grown up doing it and, always been an athlete, a runner, all of it. And I was really looking forward because NBA is huge. You being a
is.
part of that was literally my stepping stone. And I was like, okay, I'm getting there. And this happened. So yeah, I do want to get back. I'm thinking of it now that I feel better. And it's been a while now. It's been a couple years. So definitely sports are very good. It teaches you to be disciplined in life for sure. So I think I want to get back.
एक्सीडेंट हुआ, जो लाइफ में ड्रीम्स थे वो कहीं ना कहीं शैटर्ड हुए,
हाँ.
यू हैव गॉन थ्रू सो मच. उसके बाद ये एक्टिंग की चीज़ कहाँ से, एंड हाउ वाज द इनिशियल स्टेज? ऑडिशंस देने जाना, आराम नगर के चक्कर लगाना, या कुछ कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, लाइक हाउ दैट हैपेंड?
So in the start, you're very, very like, you don't know what's really happening. You're like very lost and you're like, acha, idhar se audition aa raha hai, de do. But now when I get any auditions, I'm like, until and unless it's not a verified agency or a known person, I don't want to give it because I know that it's just being spread out. लोग से viral कर रहे हैं और कुछ हो नहीं रहा है उसका because it's not a genuine audition. Right? But unless and until like this is for a lot of the newcomers who are trying to get there are these renowned agencies. Like if you see anti-casting, you see a couple more, they are all renowned, right? But if you see a couple from outside just telling you, oh ma'am, we've seen you here, we've seen your Instagram, we've seen you there, we've seen you at an event, please give an audition for this, it's not really verified because you don't know where they're coming from. And sometimes they just give you aadhe adhure details. Pure details bhi nahi dete hai. So I think one thing I love is that I have my dad managing me. So my dad really filters everything. He's like, Ashika, do this. Otherwise, it won't even come to my notice. Like, he'll just be like, do this and don't do that. Simple. But of course, there are a lot of auditions you have to go to. I went with Mama back in the days. We were literally living in Aramnagar, I think, because we were going there every second day. Every alternate day, we were going for either a brand audition, an ad, a movie, a web series, a music video. And my biggest cheerleader at that time was my mom. Because I saw thousands of models and I was like, I mean, everyone's like, literally in the dark for me. It's my mom who's the light, who's really there in front of me. So I think that gave me a lot of hope. It gave me a lot of courage. And the fact that I wanted to show up every day. I think you should never stop showing up. Because half your battle is won when you are showing up every day knowing that, yaar, I'm not liking it. Kuch ho hi nahi raha hai, still I'm showing up. But you're showing up for yourself. Because you want to make a dream happen. So yeah, it's been a hell of a ride. It's a hell of a ride for a lot of people. And it's not easy. But I think to just have the courage in you, to be fearless, to show up, to just be there, out there is very important.
और कभी ऐसा हुआ कि आपने किसी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए ऑडिशन दिया हो, बट ड्यू टू एनी रीजन सो कॉल्ड, अभी हम लोग नेपोटिज्म की बात कर रहे थे ना, तो कोई ना कोई इसमें स्टार किड एट द एंड आ गया हो एंड आपको बोला गया हो, या नहीं भी बहुत बार बताया जाता है?
हुआ था. It's happened once and I said this in another interview and now I faintly remember, to be honest, because I'm so invested in my other projects. But to be honest, it's happened, and it's very normal. Sometimes they call you and tell you you're not there because there's another star kid, or sometimes they just call you and tell you that, or sometimes they just don't call you. So it's very
mostly
like
तो यही होता है.
In the midst of, mostly वही होता है ना, because they have who they want. But I still feel that, like I told you, your honesty is what speaks volumes.
अभी हम लोग जब बात कर रहे थे, you mentioned Instagram and you have 18.6 million followers in Instagram. Do you feel sometimes कि यार अविनाश, ये ना कहीं प्रेशर भी हो जाता है, क्योंकि आप लाइफ में अलग अलग मूड्स में हो, अलग अलग जोन्स में हो, हमेशा हमारे साथ अच्छा हो पॉसिबल नहीं है, सबके साथ कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा बुरा होता रहता है, बट उसके बीच यू हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया, दैट टू वहाँ पे सब पिक्चर परफेक्ट ही दिखाते हैं. डू यू फील इट्स अ प्रेशर?
It's not a pressure, but pressure is good if there was pressure. But to be honest, there isn't. If you go on my Instagram now and open it, you'll see that I'm active like once in a month. So I have these phases, okay? Either I post a lot or I'm just like in this gap. Wherein I'm like, yaar, main gayab ho jaungi. I want to meditate. I want to just be in my spiritual world because I am very spiritual. So I feel at times you need to break the barrier and do that because social media is not healthy. It's toxic. And it's not everything. At the end of the day, your work is going to talk, right? Like I told you, honesty. You have to be honest in your work, right? You have to be the person that you are and show up each day. So that is how I am. Yeah, I post on some days. Some days I'm moody and I don't want to post. Some days I want to put up my work content, which I have to. And some days I feel like, okay, I want to put some fun, cute pictures. So I'm very moody like that. But yes, I don't think social media can define you, especially with AI, like you mentioned. It can't. That's for sure. I feel to just be authentic is what matters the most.
इंस्टाग्राम की बात हो रही थी, मैंने आपका ऑलमोस्ट इंस्टाग्राम देखा, करीब 1300 पोस्ट में। वन थिंग दैट आई नोटिस एंड आई रियली लाइक्ड कि वहाँ पे ना एक भी बेफिजूल का ऐसा फोटो नहीं है जिसमें बोलते हैं ना हम लोग शो ऑफ किया जा रहा है शरीर का, बॉडी पार्ट्स का दिखावा। ग्लैमरस फोटोज हैं, आई एग्री,
हाँ
एंड
जी।
वो भी बहुत प्यारे हैं। जो बेफिजूल का शो ऑफ
Thank
चलता है, जो
you.
आजकल बहुत सारी एक्ट्रेसेस कर रही हैं, पैप्स
Yeah.
के सामने हो या सोशल मीडिया पे हो, वैसा नहीं है।
Yeah.
तो क्या वो एक सोचा समझा डिसीजन है या फिर कि नहीं मैं नहीं हूँ, अगर वैसा कोई ऑफर भी आया प्रोजेक्ट का, हाउ डू यू सी ऑल दोस थिंग्स?
I think I've always decided to keep my profile, and I've always chosen this, that I want to keep it very clean because that is who I am, right? And I want my talent to speak, not my body. I'm not here for that, right? I want emotions to connect with you, with the audience. I don't want my body to connect with the audience. I could have done that anywhere else, right? But that is not me. And I think that doesn't take you a long way. It's like a jerk in the knee. It's like very short-lived, right? But you
True.
want something long-term. अगर आपको लंबे रेस का घोड़ा बनना है, then you got to think that way. And I think to keep yourself decent, covered, dignified is what's going to take you a long way, because at the end of the day, your emotions are talking. And if you, like you said, glamorous, but if you are already a certain way, why do you need to show yourself another way? I mean, just be yourself now. And you should be comfortable in your skin. I'm very comfortable in my skin. I'm very confident in my skin. And I think that's who I am. And that's why I put out pictures that are very covered and decent. So,
आई थिंक बिकॉज़ वी शेयर द सेम डीओबी, आई थिंक हमारे पीओवीज भी
Really?
बहुत
Thoughts are the
सारी
same?
चीजों पे सेम है।
I'm glad.
इंस्टा की ही बात हो रही है। आई जस्ट वांट टू ऐड और वन मोर थिंग।
Yeah.
मैंने पोस्ट में ही देखा था इन योर इनिशियल डेज यू हैव डन सम ऑनलाइन बेटिंग गेम्स के प्रमोशन,
Yeah, I have.
है ना?
Yes, yes,
सो
yeah.
अब वो नहीं है,
Yes.
तो वो सोच समझ के नहीं किए जा रहे हैं या फिर अब ऑफर्स नहीं वैसे आ रहे हैं?
It's obviously सोच समझ के.
जैसे मैं आपकी फिल्मों पे आना चाहूंगा। उस आपकी एक फिल्म है आयुष्मती गीता मैट्रिक पास,
Yeah.
उसका एक डायलॉग है, लड़कियां जो होती हैं वो पतंग की तरह होती हैं जिन्हें उड़ाया तो जाता है लेकिन डोर बांधकर।
Yeah.
हाउ डू यू सी दिस डायलॉग इन योर रियल लाइफ?
I think times have changed now. You know, we are the Gen Z, and also we are staying in Mumbai. So things are very, very different, right? But yes, when you talk about the village areas, they are still very, very backward. You know, they're not really living the kind of life we are living. We have more privileges while their family is not allowing them to do certain things, and they are being restricted. So door mein to bilkul bandha hi hua hai. And I've seen this actually. So when I was staying in Banaras while I was shooting for Ayushmati Geeta Matric Pass, I was there a couple days before to understand the life of, you know, Banarasi people.
To be in the process.
To be in the process, and I feel like it's always important to live the character. You know, not be Kashika in that moment, but to be Geeta. So I really, you know, really could just sit with them for hours and hours, because the way they were talking, highly educated women who can literally speak in English also so well. Like their English is so fluent, and she was talking to me in fluent English, and I was like, why did you stop with your education? Why are you not doing your post-grad and your masters? And she's just like, my father-in-law is not allowing me to. And then I went and sat with her father-in-law. And I was like, uncle, you need to understand we're right now making a film on this, and education is very important because knowledge is power, right? How are you going to face the world if you're not educated? How are girls going to be able to stand up for themselves if they are not educated? So definitely, yes, that line does hold, you know, a very special place in my heart, because there's so much you learn from it. I mean, I've experienced it. I know that girls out there are not being able to fight for their rights because somewhere down the line they're scared. They're worried they'll lose out on a family. They're worried that, no, we have to make sure to, you know, serve our husbands. But you can't keep doing that, right? Times have changed. Today, a woman can be married and working. She can have kids and be working. Like, look at Deepika. I love her. I mean, you know, things change. It's okay. But I think for us, yes, things are very forward. But for such a film to have been made, which is really throwing light on a topic that people have forgotten, is very important. It's the need of the hour, for sure.
उस फिल्म को ना क्रिटिक्स ने बहुत पसंद किया था, काफी अच्छे रिव्यूज आए थे उस फिल्म के।
Yes.
उस फिल्म के बाद क्या बदला? कुछ ऑफर्स वगैरह आए या
Yes.
फिर मतलब कैसे उस क्या बदला उसके बाद?
Bilkul, I think my chapter 1 started from there.
हम्म,
I mean, I'd say a part of chapter 1 because
Hmm.
really my chapter 1 started from this T-series song I did called
Hmm.
Dil Pe Zakham, which became a super duper hit for me. And before that, I became the face of Free Fire as Moko.
Hmm.
So that did wonders for me, and I'm so grateful to have, you know, bagged these projects. And then came Ayushmati Geeta Matric Pass, which of course changed a lot of things for me because there was a time I felt like, you know, where are the projects? And then post that, I felt like, now which one do I take? So, you know, there comes a time where you choose because in the initial stage, people are choosing you and then
And
you
then
get
you are
to
choosing the
choose.
projects.
So I think things change, yes. I am very grateful to have come across some lovely people, lovely teams that I'm now working with. So yeah, it has changed.
ये तो हो गया हिंदी, है
हाँ
ना?
जी,
आपका तेलुगु फिल्म है लाइफ,
Yeah.
लव योर
Love Your
फादर,
Father,
है
yeah.
ना? How that happened and how Telugu industry is different from Hindi industry, Bollywood.
Yeah. They're very honest to their craft.
Hmm.
Highly disciplined, very, very professional. That way, too, even Bollywood is. But the only thing is, timings, I think, in Tollywood were different. Like when I'm shooting now for films, I'm shooting from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., which is so good because then you get rest, you go home, you sleep it out. That didn't happen during Geeta, but I also know why it didn't happen because you had to give in that much time, which I'm very grateful for that we didn't pause. You know, we kept it going to get something this amazing to be out. So yeah, but that's the way I think it is. Both the industries are beautiful in their own ways. And Love Your Father, how I bagged was, so dad and I were called for this audition,
Hmm.
right? And I went and I gave this audition.
यहाँ पे हुआ था, साउथ में हुआ था?
South में हुआ था.
कहाँ पे?
So in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad,
Yeah,
okay.
because it was a Telugu film, right? Yeah. So they called me there and I gave the audition and I got to know there were 250 girls before me who've given their auditions.
Okay.
And these people were like, you know, we couldn't find the girl for life. And the day I went for the audition, I gave the audition and I swear I called my mom and I said, Mama, listen, I'm bagging this role. I'm bagging it. And she's like, really? And I'm like, you have no idea I'm getting in, Mom, because I felt the emotion. And you know, in the moment, it's like things just fall in place at the right time, right? Those emotions came out at the very right time. In the classroom, I was enacting what I had, of course, in my movie also. It was a scene from the film itself. And I knew that I had just bagged it because they loved it. Everyone was clapping and I was so happy. And then the night I arrived back home, I got a call saying, we're sending you the contract by tomorrow. And I was like, okay, great. And I was so happy because I just feel like, you know, an audition did pay off. Like, you know, after so many trials, you're like, okay, finally something did work out for the best. And Tollywood is doing great right now.
Agree.
They are doing great. I mean, the kind of films they are making, look at Loka, look at Mirai. You know,
Amazing films.
just look at Kantara too. I mean, look at Kantara also. But they're just doing so well.
They both are although Kannada films, but
Yes.
yeah, basically.
But it's
fun.
okay. What I'm trying to say is
Correct.
South films. That, you know, Tollywood in general, like just South in general, is doing so well. You know, whether it's Telugu, whether it's Kannada, whether it's Tamil, Malayalam, they're all doing amazing. So I'm very, very happy that maybe somewhere down the line, I chose Bollywood, but for now, Tollywood chose me.
इस आपकी इस बात को ना सिर्फ एज एन ऑडियंस बट एज अ क्रिटिक आई विल एग्री
Yeah.
कि साउथ सिनेमा इज डूइंग सो वेल
Yes.
दैट टू विद अ लिमिटेड बजट.
Because their stories are
Correct.
so out of the box, like they're just appealing to the eye when you watch anything they make, that you're like, wow, you know, it's just connecting with you. So I think definitely, yeah, I'm very happy.
मुझे कोई फैन मूवमेंट बताओ ना आपका.
So down south, I've had some amazing fan moments. So basically, I went for the promotion of LYF, and this really small, cute guy, he comes up to me and he's like, "Man, there's a flower for you." And I was like, okay. And like, you know, the security was standing because obviously for the promotions, they called, you know, all of the security to be there with us. So this boy just comes in and the security was just not letting him. And I was like, guys, it's okay. Please let him come. I mean, this is the beginning of where I'm feeling good. And, you know, I want to make sure I do that forever. Because I see people, you know, how they are, that they don't want to give fans pictures, they don't want to do that, but they are the ones who make you.
Correct.
If you're not going to make them happy and genuinely feel it, because I love people around me, right? Like, I love it. I mean, I am someone who's sort of an ambivert, but I like my space, but I love when people appreciate your work and are running to you for it. You know, so that really touched me because I knew, okay, I had done something so good.
Good.
you know, and I was very happy. He came, he gave me the flower, we got some pictures taken, he made a nice video, and there were so many more people who came up this way, and I think that really touched me because he said, ma'am, I watched your, not ma'am, he said Didi, because he was really small, you know, so he said, Didi, I watched your trailer and I loved you in it. And I was like, oh, that's so cute. And you know, like, but coming from a child, you obviously feel very good about it. So I was like, okay, now I feel like, you know, there has been a stepping stone in my life. So
You're
are
so,
you feeling it with me?
actually, I am feeling it, and I just want to ask one more thing, that you are so alive. You have that vibe. Proposals आते हैं. Like, let me elaborate my questions. एक एक्ट्रेस है प्रीति झांगियानी, बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है.
Okay.
मोहब्बतें में उन्होंने जो काम
Oh,
किया था,
lovely, nice.
है ना?
Okay.
उन्होंने भी रिसेंटली मेरे को किस्सा बताया कि एक फैन उनके घर पे आया.
हाँ जी.
पहले की बात है.
Okay.
वो आया, बोलता है या तो आप मेरे से शादी कर लो या मुझे भाई बना लो. ठीक है. और एक एक्ट्रेस है आंचल, ठीक है.
हाँ.
उन्होंने बताया कि उनकी एक साउथ फिल्म चल रही थी,
हाँ.
और उसका जो लीड एक्टर था, उनको हो गया उनसे प्यार.
हाँ.
अब उन्होंने प्रपोज किया कि मेरे से शादी कर लो और
हाँ.
ये वो, बट शी डिनाइड, और वो कुछ ना कुछ करके फिल्म कभी फिर आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाई.
Okay.
आपके
Okay.
साथ कभी कुछ ऐसे प्रपोजल्स आ रहे हो,
I
शादी कर
think
लो?
so many times, yeah, but you know, you reach that age where you're like, I just feel like I had too much of it back in my school days, and I got too much of it. You know, that now when I
बताओ
get it,
मेरे को,
I'm like,
किससे बताओ?
now I'm like, whatever, it's okay. Oh, we've had really funny scenes. I should not get there, but it's been really funny because I had like these best friends in school. So we were like a gang of 3 of us. And everyone
उनका
was
WhatsApp
like,
group है अभी भी?
I mean, we are friends, like we're
हाँ.
connected, but you know, everyone loses touch because
Correct, with the
they get
time.
busy in their own lives. But I happened to meet them both at my premiere of Ayushmati Geeta, and I was so happy they've come because we were so close back in the days. You know, so there was a scene with us where the 3 of us happened to see this one guy, and it was really funny because best friends don't do that. And you know, obviously there was a little bit of an issue over it, but then you were kids, yeah, so it's okay, you know. But we laughed over it later because everyone's so, like, you know, happy in their own lives now. Everyone's moved on and everyone's, but it was so funny because that one guy was approaching all 3 of us.
What?
Yeah. And you know, the funny part is he was like with one first for like a lot of time, like many years altogether. And then he was with another, and which was, I think, me, and then another. And I was honestly just, I think I was having fun because I was like, dude, I'm like just enjoying life. I'm a kid right now. What can I do? You know, you just get that, and then you realize as you grow up that it was just infatuation. It's not.
It was not love.
Yeah, it's just fun and all games, and you're like, okay, because at that time, what do? Hold hands under a table so that your teacher doesn't see you doing it.
Sharing tiffins?
Yeah, like sharing tiffins or bringing something from home for the person you like very, very normal things. But yeah, I have witnessed a lot of things back in school, with a lot of people also liking me, and whether it was, you know, outside school friends or school friends, and I think it's all a part and parcel of life. But now that I get it, I'm very like, because you know, you've gone through so much of it that you're like, okay, fine, it's normal, it's okay. Like, I went to Greece with my mom, and the driver there, because you know, it's so funny, they're like, there it's different, right? I mean, life is very different abroad
Over there.
So you know, he just came to get us, and then he was like, he dropped us. We were staying at EA, and he dropped us, and he's like, listen, can I please have your phone number? And Mama, can I take your daughter out?
Whoa.
And I was like, and my mom was like, Ashika, do what you want. And I'm like, yeah, because we live in such a world where everything's so fast forward, not even forward. But I think it's also fun. It's fun to get the attention. So you're like, okay, you enjoy.
तो गए फिर?
But yeah, no, I didn't end up going. I was like, no. And I gave him the wrong Instagram ID.
What?
And then my mom and I went for like gelato, and this guy is like, can I have your Instagram? I don't know what is it in Greece. I think they like Instagram IDs too. I mean, they find a way to connect with people, I think. So I was like, okay, and then I gave him another again. And I was like, listen, I think I don't want to give them my actual, and then I gave them private accounts. So when
कब
they
की बात है ये?
this was now, like a year back, Mom
Okay.
and I went. But it was so fun. Like, I enjoyed it these days.
ना, आखिरी प्रपोजल कब आया था?
Sorry?
आखिरी प्रपोजल?
Oh.
एक
I
दिन, 2 दिन
think
पहले,
like
1
2
घंटे
days
पहले?
back, yeah. But you know, I've just reserved myself. Like, I just don't like going. I am someone who's always been this way. I don't like going out. I don't like going to parties. I don't like going to events unless and until I know
I
they're
can connect.
important. Yeah. And I mean, I refrain myself. Like when I come home from shoots, I want to relax. I want to go out with mom and dad for dinners. I want to meet my close friends. I want to do things that keep me alive because you are getting out of a zone that really consumed you. Right? On set, you're living that character. So, and when I'm on set, I can't think of anything else. I'm only stressing about my
The
lines,
work.
stressing about my work. That is it. I don't even eat food. My dad is literally like, Ashika, eat. Because I have a parent always accompanying me. But that is how it is. I think you change as a person, you get reserved, life changes for you. So that's how I am now. Yeah, for sure.
मुझे नहीं पता आप लोग कितने इससे कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो, बट आई कैन कनेक्ट.
You can, I'm glad.
क्या कुछ और नया आ रहा है? What are the upcoming projects?
So I do have a lot of South films in the pipeline.
I think
Can't
3
talk-
projects are.
Yeah.
pipeline,
Can't
no?
talk too much about it. I
Mhm.
mean, one's already been announced, production number 1, and the other 2 are also really big. So I'm very grateful. All I'd say is that it'll be worth the wait. Since I can't speak much about it because we have our announcements coming
Correct.
up and stuff, and I hope you understand. But yeah, some exciting stuff, and I'm very grateful, when it comes to how my journey's taken off. I think it's a great start to some good work, and that's why you're sitting at home and interviewing me right
Doing the
now. So I
interview.
did something good.
I totally understand. Contracts, agreements and are there.
Yeah.
So जब वो आएंगे तब हम दोबारा आएंगे, then we'll talk again.
बिल्कुल, please आना चाय पीना.
Done. और भाई साहब चाय बहुत अच्छी मिलती है इनके यहाँ.
Really, I'm so glad. Please, I'll ask her to give you another cup.
Done. I
Post
will
this.
have it once again. And
For
till then,
sure.
thank you so much for the time and all the very best for upcoming projects. And I'll see you again.
Thank you so much, guys, for having me. Thank you for taking out some time from your lovely schedules, which are obviously packed. But thank you for watching us. And please shower a lot of love on this interview. Hi, guys. This is Kashika Kapoor here, and you're watching me on Galata, India.